Hello guys, my name is Jonathan and this is the Johnny Dev's channel. Okay, in the in this video I will show you how to use the matplotlib.pyplot using Python. So this is my PyCharm studio and I have a folder videos for YouTube and I create. Okay, so let me exclude this file and let's create a new file, a new notebook file. Okay, let's click with the right button, new Jupyter Notebook, uh, matplotlib, enter, and the first step, certificate you have the matplot installed in your device. So if you don't have a matplotlib or matplot in your device, you should install it. Okay. So write this command in your terminal, pip install matplotlib. In this terminal, in PyCharm is here. Okay, terminal pip install matplotlib and press enter. Okay, I've just have a matplotlib in my device and now I will import matplotlib. Okay, import mat opa, import matplot matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. PLT is a short name by PyPlot. Okay. In this module, we have line graphs, bar graphics, histogram, and so on. Let me run. Starting Jupyter server. Matplotlib is important. No, we have two list variables that represents the two axes from the graph, x and y, my two axes. Okay, the axis will be the month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 is okay. And my y is the denk cases, 100, 1000, yeah, and 90. Okay, we have just these two variables, x and y. X have 5, 5, 1, and the y, 5, 2. Now, we will plot this graph. Okay, let me create another cell. Oh, let me exclude and mark it down. Now, the third step to create a graph is create a variable figure pt dot figure fixed size. Okay, here is a tuple with two elements 10, 12. This element represents the size of my figure, né? Okay, writing height 10 and 12. Now, I will plt dot plot first my x after my y and my color, my line color. Okay, I can write red, blue, green, and so on. Red, okay. Line width is my width, but I will not use the line width in this example. Plot xy. No, dot x label. X label it represents my month and my y label. Dot y label represents cases, dengue cases. Okay. Dot grid and the last dot show. Okay, let's run X. I don't run this cell. Okay, this is my graph. Fixed size is very high. Let me change to H. Let's run again. Okay, this is my graph. 1, 400, 400 to 1003. The little cases. Okay, let me change the cases. 3000. So, and run again. This is my graph, my line graph. Red is bad. Let me change the color to white. Oh, no, no, no. Green. Maybe green is better. Green is better. Okay. So in this axis we have the months, in this axis we have the dengue cases. Each number represents the months. One's 1, 2 February, 3 March, and so on. We have 5 months represents by X list. No, if we in the PLT or in the line graph, we have a bar graph. So let me change the PLT. We have to exclude this. Here is bar. Okay, and run. Now we have the bar graph. It looks like an histogram, but is a graphic bar or bar graph. It's better to view this type of data by graphic because it is more representative than line graph. Okay, so let's resume. If we want to create a line graph, we use plot, plt.plot. If we have to create a bar graph, we use plt.bar. Okay, validate of bar this kind of graphic, and let me copy all of this code and create a new cell, a new markdown. Markdown will represent with the line graph. Okay, and let me paste the code here and change bar to PLT. And now we choose my color with green color. Plot, plot. Okay. This two example bar and line is here. Let me change it is create bar graphs. Now, so this is a simple example using matplotlib.pyplot. We have 5 elements in the x and 5 elements in the y. Always we have the same elements in the x and the y. Okay, to represent bar graphs or line graphs. Okay, so I wish you liked this video. If you like, take your like, share with your friends, and thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye.